in the street. Oh yeah. And we've got to hide when those guns meet. Yeah, gunshots up. Number. They call me SAMMY DREAD now. Hello. They call me SAMMY DREAD now. Sound boy, you know what? Hello. You roll up in a road now.
Ladies and gentlemen, over 35 years to 40 years in America. Now them return back to them island Jamaica. People, the world are talk about this. Them man that say, oh, with the green card, me I go home back at me yard. Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only, Michael to the Palmer, Sammy to the Dread.
Lord of mercy. Watch me now. All right. Come away for this. Say what you say. Do what you're doing. I've got something, baby. Money can't buy. You know how. Mumbo.
How you do like this? Watch me. Watch it. Bad boy fire L60. You're alive. They're alive. SAMMY DREAD, Michael Palmer. They're returned. SAMMY DREAD, you're alive. Lord of mercy. Watch out. A combination now. Watch him tonight. Remix. Watch me. SAMMY DREAD. Down in my hometown, respect is due to me. I turn the wine on the courtesy. That's why they talk of me. I be a lecture. I dem a lecture.
Bad boy of iron
A remix. Watch it. Oh, what a roll. Oh, what a roll. Oh, what a roll. Oh, Lord. You want me to sing something?
No, I'm gonna sing first. Watch this. I'm back in.
You want to hear it? Lord of mercy. Watch it. New York. Say Babylon, them just a bunch of Babylon, them just a bunch of
Oh yeah.
We're living a rough old life.
Starvation, tribulation.
Trying to keep our dream like that.
Oh, what a rough old life. Yeah. Come in there. They're the one thing. Remember them, sir. What I know? When I know every dog from night, you know, it's all about singing. Remember?
Watch it now. What I know? Hey, Michael Palmer is right.
Yeah.
Big up, watch it now, men are call on you. Big up all of the people in New York City.
Yeah.
Big up all of the people in Jamaica. Jamaica first, come here, Jamaica.
Yeah.
Put your hand together for Jamaica. I want to go answer. Let me hear you say something. Michael Palmer and SAMMY DREAD. Michael, say something now. You don't know. Soon big up yourself, Shalana, big up on yourself. All of the massive 90s, 50s. You don't know. Big up on yourself.
Didi, Randall, Sire. Just go and hold it, because I don't know someone big like a deep sea mullet. Say, I know the Freeman Lane, Alamox Hill Avenue. I don't know some there now. Nothing change. I'm my belly big. You understand? So we just do it in Junior, now watch enough of it. Hey, hold on. Junior, them look at them forget about it, you know. The rap to get on the dog, you know. Them forget about it. Red. I am now fine.
Live like brother.
I am Junior Red.
Live like brother.
I am Michael
live like brother. My brother, me and forget this sister. You cannot sing, you cannot curse on the platform. I'm sorry for that, people. A Michael Palmer show, you know. And Sammy Dread show, you know. So you hear me? Listen, you say, alright. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. Come and say, Bubla, make your waistline roll. You hear me? Hold it. You hear me? Waistline up a roll for youth at youth band. You hear that? Waistline up a roll for youth band. See? So you hear me? A 19 youth me get. So run the track. Yeah.
And then I never showed you yet.
Oh, so one of my son, Judge of Lord.
Lord have mercy. Gold teeth in a me mouth, man a better run. Gold chain brown minute, young veteran. Cheesy foot and slugs that na get along. Diamond socks come from England. Well on them, look how me sat up on big bad rhythm. People know I'm a home, everybody else listen. You see the old and the young, the bad man say if you pull up. Income, Judge Blood, the young veteran. Lord have mercy. Fresh from England, fresh from Ghana. So,
pull up. You see this song? This is a true life story. Pick up all of the junglers and the reamers them. Pick up everybody at Jamaica. Because we don't know, we're not passer. This is a Junior. Only me and Carlton Livingston sing for the rhythm. Mr. Music. One Sunday morning, she man took me down and asked me what my name is. I say my name is Sammy Dread Locks, and he wanted to say to me, another one bite the dust, another one caught a pot. You want? I said they take me into Rima. I said they take me down a T-Bally Hotel. And you what they say to me, I'm a them singer. They never do, I'm a nothing. Oh yeah, what way? It was the save of my father. Rastafari, who control all the days of my life. That's what I say. I say, Captain Livingston, what's here? Hear what I say? Batman tune, junglers, pick up. Trying to the jungle mentality. Yo, how we run dancehall? You don't know that. Are we setting? And are we starting? I can't play. Pull it up now. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, watch me. Now pull up, pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. Jack, baby, Jack, open up! Because music's nice, you've got to play right. Sweet like sugar, not like spice. Cause there's no one. No. Pull up. Watch out, Michael Palmer. Before you sing this one, Ricky Chuba don't do nothing. You see, on the, what? Which year? The 25th, the 24th of July?
Yeah, hold. Let me leave it.
You want to leave it up?
Yeah, man. When you just come home, you know. You see, on July 24th, 25th, and 26th, me and the Dread, Sammy Dread Locks, saying Admiral Tibet and one sound unification in a Portugal. Portugal, me a talk about in Europe. So we think just that. Because we're not going away from where we're singing, from where you, we're not going away. I left at 36 years, the Dread left 45. So look power. Put 36 and 45 together. How much you get?
True, man. All about 9 kids. 9 American, 3 Jamaican, 1 English.
So what you know? But that's why I'm making a noise, so we're back. Whoa, yeah. Hey, hey. Rasta! When the roll is called up yonder, gotta be there. When the roll is called up yonder, I gotta be there. And when the rhythm is playing in the dance, I gotta be there, Lord. Said I gotta be there, Lord, no. You know what I'm saying? Michael Palmer will be there. Hey, stop. Is that them tune them? I mean, produce them soon. The boss can tell you. Tell me a star. Roll call. Anything. Yes, sir.
Reggae, Tupac. What I know, I watch a platform every night in New York City. And when the platform I run, I never hear them big up my brethren Barry Brown. Yet, watch them style, Mr. Music. Listen to them too now. Ricky Tupac, dancehall style with it. Every day, what you know? I've got to tread out and be Rastaman can't stand this situation. Cause it may be a bigger solution. So Rastaman can't stand this situation. You know what? It's about trade. Barry Brown on the question.
I was I used to my mentor. Him name Barton. Himself for mine. I said to mine. Say chatty mouth, you better mind. Chatty mouth, you better mind. So can you keep a secret, keep it in your mouth. Don't tell it to your brother, man.
Michael, I wake up this morning, what do I see? Sunday, standing over me, and they make me cry, oh, we all have to feel it, put up the Reggae Tupac. Watching them on, don't play that yet. But the people them know, I rerun this. It's a Michael Prophet. When him voice this tune, run it, let me tell him the tune and they sing to them. Lord have mercy. Every time I look at so what's going on? So what's going on? What's going on? Touching dread. So what's going on? So what's going on? What's going on? Watch it now, watch it. Look, my brother, look what you see is going on. I'm telling you, begin tribal war. Hey, by Babylon, and I'm on SAMMY dreadlocks, and my brethren Michael Bay. We live at war in a Babylon. We live at war. Watch your tire, sugar man, rest in peace. Get them seller. And you are one night, and you alone run. But you not. Big up Tony Curtis. Big up Chris. All of the entertainers in the era. Nature, watch it, pull up now and say something, man. Watch it now, I can't big up everybody, you know. Because I not going to remember no name, right? But all of the entertainers them went in your song. Tonight, need to cut you big up yourself. And you know my singer will sing about high grade. My love and I cook food. Big up me, Beanie Man. And you don't know. Kalancha my DJ. And you don't know. Of Caperton. What y'all do? Run some rhythm. What y'all do?
She not ready yet. She not ready yet. Freeman, you don't know them song yet. You don't know them song yet. Watch this. Ready, she not ready, she not ready, she not ready yet. Ready, she not ready, she not ready, she not ready yet. What is that? Hey, cause of this girl, she going like she left. See me on the right, she gone to the left. What a super like me, she could have never regret. Put clothes and money, she bound to get. Yet all we are going, she a play hard to get. Ready, she not ready yet. Ready, she not ready, she not ready, she not ready yet. The Monday she a rushing drive a old Chevrolet. In a fair house, full-time cabinet. You look on her foot, old tear up her. Super like me, she could have never regret. Ready, she not ready yet. Ready, Fred, she afraid, and she not hear nothing yet. Snagger, sweat, she a sweat, and she not get nothing yet. Peter Metro, hey, what up? Me not give you the history, me and Peter Metro yet, you know. No, you can't tell me at my time. Peter Metro, 1984. Me and Peter Metro get the first fly out. You know what them send me? A place named Cayman. You know some boy rush with. Like Peter tell you what happened after that? Deal in blood clot.
Alright, Papa. Yeah, hold it. Alright, Papa, we know you feel, belly. Yeah, man. First time we have fly out. What's your name today? What's your name again? Jackie Statement. Yo. Hold it too. Hold it, Chopper. Hold it, no chopper. People, right now, we just want to honor them and make them continue the work. People, you don't know, over 35 years and 45 years in the business. And to be frank with you, if you know, since I'm land of Jamaica, let me tell you something. The man them just stop sing dub plate so much people. Them sing nearly over 200 dubs since them they are more. And I don't know where them get the energy from and the vocal for continue just to sing until them reach a dancehall Thursday. But put that aside. On the behalf of everybody who come a rubber dub, I want to love the platform. Seeing the management, the staff, Rebel Tea, in the kitchen, over the bar. Yeah, hear me, Michael Palmer? It's a pleasure. See? Give Michael Palmer one first. It's a pleasure, my brother, for honor the eye. You return back to your country and you go to Europe, go tour. See, Europe are wait for you. It's a pleasure to present this honor to the eye. Michael Palmer from Original Dancehall Thursday. People, wanna clap him now, man. Clap him. Respect and thanks. See, for come perform, my brother. Sammy Dread, remember. From a little boy, I'm in the jungle. I don't know what me, you go take it through Rima. And them hold you. Gunman juke you down and them could have out you. Carry you go to garden and when the big man say him say no, you're one away. And you sing the song early one Sunday morning. 2 man juke me down, #1 show. Enough people don't know them thing about me no. Cause me are one of the first people that will live in a jungle. My man are the 13 people live in a jungle when it built up. Anyway, on the behalf of Original Dancehall and every man who in here tonight will support the platform. I don't say nothing else more than just give the honor your ear, sir, for your contribution to the music industry. See, 50 years and more, 45 years America, 50 years and more. When I say Sammy, you say Dread. Sammy! Sammy! When I say Michael, you say Palmer. Michael! Michael!
Watch them, I love that. Watch me now.
Jinx, you big up yourself.
Jinx is big all the while. We just have to big him up, man. The man are foreigner. We have to talk about you big him up, man. Watch me. Acapella, them two junior. Special request from my brethren, Tony Brevet. Rest in peace, the melodians. I can't believe you wanna leave so soon. The party just begun. Don't go away. The music have got me rocking in my bones. Oh Lord, I beg you. You want to play with it? Melodians, New York. I can't believe you wanna leave so soon. The music just be gone. Don't go away. The music has got me rocking in my bones. Oh Lord, I beg you, I never go sing and dance and dance. Put up the Melodians. Two of them be bread. Two kid. I'm a bread. I'm a two beer. My God. I can't believe you wanna leave so soon. You want to just be gone. Don't go away. The music has got me rocking in my bones. Oh Lord, I beg you, I never go old and say, sing and watch it. Please, Mr. DJ, play this song for me. Watch it now. Please, Mr. DJ, play this song for me. The music has got me, rocking in my, you don't know me a big blood clot singer now. Pull up, already jump off a drop. You don't know, Ricky Juba, pull up Ricky Juba. So what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? So what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? I don't want to be in a Babylon system. Babylon system, people rise my bread and drink. I don't want to roam the street at night. You see the tuba. I get the fire now. So what's going on? So what's going on? So make your beat up and break it to bump. My brethren, this is Metro. Hey. This is tonight and very night. 20 girls just big up yourself. And you know, Chris, you know you don't know you have a driver now. That's who you have in a car again. Don't play yourself. Don't play yourself.
Oh, ready, like a Friday. Hey. No more lean booty down there. No more lean booty down there, yeah. Because ready, and I'm gonna be gone. Ready, it's my cooking. Oh yeah, what's going on? No more lean booty down there. No more lean booty down there. Because ready, and I'm gonna be gone. Ready, and I'm gone. Ready, and I'm gonna go. So the go. Them never stand a chance. Hot like a pepper, so we gonna go. We come in and pose like angel and scars. No more. We're done. Dead, yeah. Done dead completely. Alright. Take it out. Love is never too late. And if I Snoop Dogg, he's on them boy the rich. And them boy take a one little poor man song. Don't give me nothing. But I nothing. I still have everything on my own. Original. Play the song. Go to Garden, you know me love you. Chris. Yeah. 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 Hey. Smoke the weed. But don't smoke the seed. Cause if you smoke the seed, you're going to kill the brain. Whoa, you're going to kill the brain. Yeah, I smoke this weed. Smoke it set speed. Cause in this time, it's all me. Whoa, it's all me. Yes, this weed come from our father's land. And some of them will say it's the healing of the nation. It makes you with a vibration. Some say Kali, some say Sensi. But in this time, we no smoke, no fight. No, no everybody jump up, Johnny. Yeah. Smoke it them to me now. Oh, we don't. What? I gotta listen.
Hold on now. Don't watch it now. It's a lot of, no. It's a lot of, me now sing for the girls. There's a lot of people want a lot of song. Everybody want me big up, but me can't remember the name now. I want to sing a little tune for the ladies.
African girl.
A foreign tune. It go like this. Ricky Chupa. I'm breaking up people sing. I remember sing my boss tune, Sugar Mine and him say. Sugar Mine and birthday. You don't know. I don't sing nothing about Tony Tough and Sugar Mine tonight. Run it. Oh, yeah, you can have the fool. Lot of mercy. Big up my crazy. Rest in peace, Sugar Mine. Singing of the fool. Nobody really plays. Pull up, Ricky. You see, poor Sugar Mine not pass away. It says Sammy Dread, I'm going to give you the voice. And you know what? He really give me. Run it, let me tell him. Let me say, nobody early place set down. And as the journey get longer, nobody run out of stamina. You understand? And them have one night. And them have load work. I give her the key to her front door. But me take her the key from Gregory. Because him is not here no more. Sammy Dread is here. So you know what I said to her? You don't have to be a superstar to be girl on my shoulder. You don't have to drive a big fancy car to be a Ricky Chupa. Girl, look at me. I love you just the way you are. When I'm not the way you really are. So when you get the Ricky Chupa in my place, you know that I'm a superstar. You don't have to be a superstar. Look like you out there. Get down, get down, get down. Get your English, get your the French beaner. You girl, you know what it is. Ricky Chupa, we have to me. Studio One style, watch it. You are a miserable woman. You are a miserable woman. You are a miserable woman, and I know it's true. Ricky Chupa said, I go to the martini. You know what you know? Just fighting and fighting with me. I go to the late night show. She just fighting and fighting with me. I don't know what to do with my say. She told me she loved me and she want to go away. You want Ricky to go pull up that tune and bomb. That not on the. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Ricky to go and tell her. Every time I look in her face, you die.
We love! No, sorry. No, sorry, you can't move. Yo, you can't move, son. Hold it. That tune I'm on the first LP 1983. SAMMY DREAD.
Alright, I know. Let me tell the people that when this song come out, it was Dennis Brown and Sammy DREAD. The only two men sing on this. Joe Gibbs, 1978. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Lady, every time I look in your face, and I see that you smile, here I surely know you are a trailer of shine. So I see her coming from afar, but it's true she really don't know that the man you're talking to is a trailer of faith. Trailer of faith. Well, she got yourself if you're not a player. Pull up. Hey, watch out now, people. Ricky Trooper, the wickedest selector ever been in the business. You see that song here? We ever sing now? This is the first song I ever sing in my career. Play that Ricky Trooper. Now I sing for the woman. It go like this. I see the African girl in my dream first night. Really love her so African girl. Yes. She told me that she loved me and would make me go bed. She told me that. Hold on now, I'm going to tell you something. History me I tell you now, right now. You see, King Tubbs, that passed away, he's the one that gave me the name Sammy Dreadlocks. Because you see, when we're in the studio, 5 hours sing. Everybody sing, Leroy Smart, everybody, big Michael Prophet. That history me I tell you. I used to when the man listen to tune them, and when it come to my tune, Tubbs said, he said that tune there, producer, release that one there. And the man asked the producer, said, "What name?" And the producer said, "I'm not on name. But me did just have medical natty. And my name Sammy, so me just say Sammy Dreadlocks." Mr. Music, go to play. Oh God, you the dancehall style, man. Because you know them style, yeah. And you know them style, yeah. Watch out. Hear them style, yeah. Hear them, man. I never take a woman who don't say she loves me. I never take. I will never take a girl like you. I never take a woman. She loved me. I never take a girl like you. Yes, you must be good to me. Say you must be nice to me. You You must be intelligent. Oh gosh, you're the girl that I love. Yeah, big up Junior Reed. Big up Junior Reed, my brother in the end. And go like this. Listen to this. Watch it. How can a man pour it out his sparring partner? And I love her. How can a man with his sparring partner? Sparring partner. God, make it super. How can a man live without his sparring partner?
Boy. Man, them destroy Ramadan Jersey. My she is a what on, snagger boy trooper.
Sparring partner.
Yeah, play.
Sparring partner.
Play on Sammy Dread, right tonight. Yeah. Buggy, we're bugging him there. Hey, Buggy knows. Buggy knows. Big up yourself, Buggy. Original Godspeed. Watch out.
Sparring partner. Sparring partner. Sparring partner.
Sammy Dread.
How can a man get along without this?
Pull up. Cause them man I love it like how we love it. Sing, love sing. Sing Sammy Dread, tell them about your doctor.
No, you see when me an original artist, you don't know, respect a lady. Lord God, hold on a man. What you want to? They call me Sammy Dread. Hello. I'm in the wall. Hello. They call me Sammy Dread. Hello. They call him Reggae Town. I'm in the wall. Hello. We run up in a roadblock summer. I'm in the wall. Hello. We run up in a curve. You remember that singer? That singer, yeah. I am one of the secret admirers. What have we really seen? Baby, Ricky Chupa, I'm a curry. Go like this. Hey. Say loving you, girl. I was too blind to see. Ricky Chupa, my brother Michael Palmer. Oh God, give me. Say loving you, girl. I was too blind to see. You know that you go. You leave me on my baby. Gonna take a miracle. It's gonna take a miracle. You make me love someone new when I'm so crazy for you. Didn't you know it never gonna be so easy? You need me. Pull up now. Let me tell you. A Flowerwood, watch out. Roots Radix play arena. Flowerwood, one of the wickedest beauty ever played. Oh guys. Hey, you see the choir? Hey, Ricky Chuba, you too quick. Watch me. If I see you running down, it's back.
Wait, stop it. Sammy Dread, you're about to get on there. And this and another Dread. We're gonna run red.
So now big up yourself. Shalanda. Hallelujah. Oh gosh. Respect to my brethren Johnny Clark. And You know what? It go like this. If I see you running round with him my game, oh yeah. I don't know what to say to you, my love, but you still care. Just when I thought you were mine, you told me that say, oh Lord, when I do I'm gonna be there with a broken what up, Mr. Selector? Hey, wicked trooper, you're too wicked, you know. How are you? Yes, sir, brother. I read the truth on my career now. Watch me. It's next, baby, for you. Pull up, trooper.
You see that tune here? I live anthems. I rubber dub anthem this, that tune here. Come and say, rubber dub anthem. I remember, you know, tomorrow a dub session around Music Town, around only famous. So, remember, it's all about. Come in, Sammy Dread.
Hey, Sashi, big up yourself in New York, Sashi. Demas, Jamaica, the world show. You don't know, Baba. You go like this. It's today, baby, for you. And tomorrow, baby, for me. I said the who and even is mine. Shall surely even is not. This time, oh God, I said the way of sin is dead, my brethren. I said the gate of jump is eternal life. If a man should keep it more close, he will never get caught like a fish in a sea. No way, no way. My brethren ancestry, you must hear what I say. Ricky Chupan leads away. What is it? Okay. Make it go on, man. When I say, okay. What's up, baby? Baby, put up on this woman. Keep up function in that era.
When make you so hard, dirty well and love. Oh yeah, watch it out. I listen, don't understand. The land of the monster, come collect him and bring the village to take away my bed. Just look out the window with me and the landlord, who will make you so hard. Oh, the landlord. I don't should we get close to sign that.
No, watch out. When you was alright, you're good because I'm there to take care of everything. Pull up that rhythm, pull up. You see, my brother Barrington, if you was here, I'm not singing a tune up here. Pull up!
Sammy Dread, Squidly ranking attack. Me and Huno, and the whole of it, Gemini, 1980, 81, 82. Remember, I'm going to Rikers Island prison, America, you know. What on there? Michael Palmer. Some man in England was said for Vibes Cartel for some stage show. Call me and tell me, said make sure I get to the number. And then once you want to go do a dance on Thursday. And you see what they do with the place? England! Sunshine! You see what they do with dance on Thursday? Send for them right now and squeeze me in.
Watch it. Shine like gold. The breaking Barrington, baby. Hear what I say? On my way into Marmalade, I was up on a he told me, don't save me now. make me sing that up. No man, come here, come here. Pull up no man, pull up man. No, hold on, no, hold on. No, you're up on the platform and you hold. No, no man.
You're feeling lyrics then.
But you're not young.
Let me know them good.
So sing it, then don't care if your words.
Okay.
Then love you.
You sure?
So, yes.
Alright. Listen to me. Come and visual your lyrics now. Famous. A shiny girl is a trouble to a man. She want uptown, she want downtown, she want superstar. So tell me what you really want. I don't know. On my way up to Marley, my mama sent me up, figure I some Cali. Me make a mistake on me bike valley. Mama jump on the bike, she make to that. Hey, up, women say, we can't take the bush herb again. We can't take the bush herb again. I'm Mr. Sensei, I'm Mr. Sensei, Sensei me out.
Sensei, Sensei me out. On my way up to Marley, I make a mistake on my body. I jump on the bike and I get to the but no, watch out. Pull up, watch out. Watch out.
Sugar man and that day, how we grew up, you know? How we grew up? Babylon, you're falling and you really don't know.
Yes, dancehall Thursday. Yeah. If sugar day, I know what that said. What that said? Oh no, naughty dread, come now. Oh no, naughty dread, come. Pull it through.
Let us live forever.
No more people. Come listen now. Come no more people. Come no naughty dread, come now. Come no naughty dread, come now. Let us live together. Jaja live forever.
Babylon, you're falling and you
Really don't know.
Babylon, you're falling and you
Really don't know. Let us live together. Jaja live forever.
I was coming from the country with my bag and canle. And I pop up and I did say, I said it was the way. Masha, talk.
Don't you run no youth man. You won't get away. Cause if you slip you will slide. And if you run you can't hide. Cause what? Cause I've got no stick. So stop writing my hit. Turn it down when they sing it.
Masha, your father always tell me a little thing like this. You're inside all the while. I'm not. See me. Yes, we have this thing. Yes, we have this thing. Make it clear. Touch on my head. And I'm on SAMMY DREAD. We never do that. You're your father, sir. Yes, we have this thing. Yes, we have this thing. We have this thing to keep us some boy weak. We have this thing. Yes, we have this thing. We have this thing to keep us some boy weak. Sugar might not be brethren. Rest in peace. And I'm on SAMMY DREAD singing for you.
It's been a long time, Babylon, them trying to stop me, but no way, no way. Well, say, come and say nothing what they do, nothing that they say can't keep me down. Well, say, I heard some say that I was born to be a loser. You don't know Sugar Miner Day tribute? It's May 25th, Youth Man Promotion HQ, alright? No club, dancehall Thursday.